Hello students and welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions to IT JEE Advanced 2015 paper 2. Okay students, let us look at question number 4. Question number 4 says that in the complex acetyl bromido dicarbonyl bis triethyl phosphine iron 2, the number of FeC bonds is. Now this is a pretty long complex, but let me draw the structure in a rough structure in a simplified manner. I am drawing iron 2 at the center, and then it says bis triethyl phosphine. So that means triethyl phosphine is P83. Okay, so two P83 groups will be there. The phosphorus will be forming the coordinate bonds. Dicarbonyl would mean CO and CO. So this carbon will be forming bonds with this. Bromido would mean Br minus, coordinate bond. Acetyl would be C double bond O CH3, and it will be carrying a negative charge. Why? Because see, iron is +2. All these four ligands, this and this are neutral. Bromine is -1. So this acetyl will have negative charge. Negative charge would give it -1 over here, and this will form a coordinate bond. So it says the number of FeC bonds. The number of FeC bonds would be 1, 2. I will just highlight those bonds again. The number of FeC bonds would be 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer would be 3 for this question. Thank you. Okay, so that brings us to question number 5. It says that among the complex ions, and we have been given a few complex ions, a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it says that the number of complex ions that can show cis-trans isomerism. Okay, so for a particular complex to be able to show cis-trans isomerism, it must either be square planar or it must be octahedral. Now if you try to look, all the complexes given in the above question, all of them are octahedral complexes. The first one, let us have a look at them one by one. The first one is CO NH2 CH2 NH2. This is ethylene diamine ligand, which is a bidentate ligand, and two chlorine groups. And if there are two chlorine, obviously they can be, if I draw them, the octahedral geometry. If there are two chlorines, they can in an octahedral geometry, they can very obviously be either trans or cis with respect to one another. So obviously this particular complex can show cis-trans isomerism in octahedral geometry. Let us look at the other one. C2O4 minus oxalate is again similar to ethylene diamine, a bidentate ligand, and again there are two chlorine. They can be cis or trans. So this is also my answer. This is also my answer. Similar, same sort of logic. Let us look at third, FeH2O whole 4, OH whole twice. There are two OH. Again in the similar manner, they can be either cis or trans. This is also by same logic. 2-amine 4-RCN, again it can be cis or trans. CO 1NH3 1Cl, the other two are ethylene diamine. NH3 and Cl, they can either be cis or trans. Same logic, this can also show cis-trans isomerism. And similarly, see, all 6 of them are almost same. H2O H2O and Cl can either be cis or trans with respect to each other. So all 6 of the complexes can show cis-trans isomerism. So the correct answer for this would be 6. Thank you.